What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 21, and today's topic will be paragraph inline font and paragraph inline markup, and today's topic will be mostly on the fonts related topics. So if you remember guys, like we have done some other tutorial using paragraph inline markup, but there we only used simple or by default font. We haven't done anything with the custom font, we haven't done anything with the font color and font size. So this topic will be more or less focused on the font related topics, like how we can select different font, how you can select font color, and how we can select font size. These are the very basic and very important things. So first thing first, how to find what are the different fonts available. So I have done already one tutorial for this, probably in tutorial second or third for this same series, but I'm not sure whether all of you have already watched those series or not, but I will just give you like 1 minute or 2 minute brief introduction to how to like get used to it, the fonts, and how you can find what are the different fonts available. But if someone is interested to see how you can import your own font or customize font or font from some other language like Arabic, Spanish, whatever, we have another tutorial created, probably tutorial 3 or 4. Just go through our Reportlab complete series, you will get an idea. Okay, so probably well, okay, let me just run this thing first to find what are the different fonts available from reportlab.pdf gen import canvas. Let me run this thing first to check whether it is running or not. I'm not sure what is the problem here. Okay, nothing is showing here. Well, not sure, nothing is coming. Let me write this thing like print and let's say test. Not sure what happened with my, okay, it came. Okay, so next thing, from reportlab.platypus, okay, import paragraph and simple doc template. Okay, and next thing from reportlab.lib.units centimeter, and the last thing from reportlab.lib.styles get sample style sheet. Okay, then PDF equals to so we'll create one PDF object first, PDF document object first, then canvas, and probably we'll give a name test.pdf. okay, so here, and after that let's say we'll use fonts equals to pdf dot get available fonts, and then for font in fonts print font. That's it. Okay, so these are the fonts available, if you see guys. Okay, so Courier bold, Courier bold oblique, Courier many things are available. So what I'll do, I'll just try to create one sample PDF with this thing now. So this is kind of tutorial, like let me just write this thing here. How to find different fonts available. So this is the code, and what are the different fonts available. So probably I can create one screenshot for this. Okay, let me open this thing, or maybe okay. Okay, so we'll put it over here. So what happened? Okay, so these are the different fonts available. Now we'll see how to create paragraph text with different font. Okay, so this is our next tutorial. So let me just keep this thing here. So what I'll do, I will not remove, just on this part we'll try to create one PDF object with this paragraph, no sorry, with this simple doc template, and we'll give this thing as tutorial 21.pdf. okay, and after that we'll create one flowable object, flow object, and this is going to be null. We'll create one style equals to get sample style sheet, and font let's say text, or the paragraph text, like say p_text is going to be and so multi-line text I'll be using like this. So like sample test without font. Okay, and after that we'll just this is text, and now the paragraph p_text, this is going to be like paragraph. Okay, and inside that we'll put our text, and it will be style equals to styles styles normal, and after that we'll append this thing flow underscore object dot append is going to be p_text, and then we'll write this thing. So this is going to be pdf.build, and inside that we'll put our flow object, flow_object. So if I run this thing, there will be one PDF with tutorial 21, and we'll be having this text. Okay, so let's refresh this thing now. See, so without any text. Now I will try to create this thing. Okay, so it's some sort of text. So how to do that? So for that, font name equals to So what are the different fonts name available we are having? So you can check and come here. Let's say times italic. Okay, times italic. I will write this thing here. So this is going to be times hyphen italic. Okay, and let's try this thing like believe this. Okay, okay, so there is some what is happening. Invalid attribute name. Okay, this is saying this is invalid. Font name okay. Okay, so I just forgot to close this tag. Now this is working fine. See, sample text without custom font. Okay, okay, so now what I'll do, I will try to let me just remove this part, then it will be easier to understand. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just take a screenshot of this thing. Okay, and I will put it here. Okay, so okay, so different font. So the next thing will be different font and size. So this is very simple. So here we are using font name, and here I'll be going to use size, but let me check this thing with 21st. Okay, see, it's okay. So again, same thing. This is very simple, guys. So you need to understand the concept, then it will be easier. And okay, I think I need to make this thing a bit smaller. Okay, so now this is fine. So okay, so I will insert this thing again, so it will be easier for you guys to do some sort of practice. So you'll get the code, you'll get the slides, and also I will upload the source code as a separate .py file to our GitHub repository. Okay, so don't worry, guys. So you have to just grab your pen and paper, grab your computer, and start writing your code. That's it. You have to practice. I'll be providing all the material, so you need to just focus on your like what you say, like your intuition or like your inner wish that I should learn this thing. Definitely you guys will be able to expertise this Reportlab library within few weeks or few months. How to create paragraph text with font size and color. So 3 things together now. So now I will put some sort of color. So let's make this as red. Okay, okay, so that's it. Very simple. I think okay, so probably let's insert this thing as well. Okay, that's it guys. So we have seen how to find what are the different fonts available. We have seen what are the by default fonts available, but now this is not the complete thing. If you want to add your own customized font with a different language support, like some like font from Russian, some font from Arabic, you definitely can do it. Just watch our tutorials from the beginning. I have created one complete tutorial with Arabic font, how you can download the some customized font from internet and how you can use it inside your PDF library. So that is also there. You can use the same tutorial for any other fonts. Okay, so next thing we have completed, like how to create paragraph text with different font. We have seen it, and again the font and the size. And the last part we have seen how to use paragraph font name, size and color markup to create one custom sentence using italic font and size 20 and color red. So this is kind of complete tutorial with what are the like aspects of font we are talking about. So now we can create your own customized report with paragraph with different types of fonts, colors and size. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and in future also you guys will get similar tutorials from my side. So keep watching us, keep watching our channel, keep supporting us, share our videos with your friends whenever possible. Try to give some sort of comment, feedback, suggestion or recommendation. We'll try to improve our qualities definitely. And those are actually watching this course from the Udemy, guys, thank you very much for enrolling to this course. It really mean a lot. It is indirectly or directly supporting me to create some sort of contents for you. And if you guys are having any doubt, question, suggestion, please feel free to reach me out via Udemy. I will always available on the platform, so don't worry about that. Okay, so that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye. And if someone is watching our channel for the first time or the new, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that next time also you will receive the notification on timely manner. So once again, goodbye guys, have a nice weekend, see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye.
Wow.